Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can know if someone has blocked you on Discord. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly, and let's begin. So firstly, open up your Discord application, and if you haven't logged in with your account, then first log in to continue along. Now at the home page of Discord application, if you notice, there's a list at the left side. This contains all of the servers you are currently enrolled in. You can easily navigate through them by simply selecting the target server's profile. Here at the right side, the member list is present. All of the current members will be present here, including bots. To show you an example, I'll open my DM section located at the upper left. Here just locate a message from the person whom you think has blocked you. Now to check if they haven't blocked you, simply click on their profile in the members list and see if add friend option is there or not. If it's present, then it means they have blocked you. And that's how you can know if someone has blocked you on Discord. So that's all for today's video guys. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.